One of the things I'm providing as a resource for our course is a notes template for taking notes while you're watching the online lecture videos associated with this course. So this isn't required. I'm not going to collect these or anything like that, but I think it could be helpful for you to process the information as you're watching the online lectures and then take notes to have to reference later. So this is all provided for you on Canvas. The top here is showing the lecture video topic and title, so you can fill that in. So that's specific to the video itself. So for each module, it's broken up into different, more specific video topics. So there's a place for you to put both the module topic and title, as well as the specific lecture video topic and title. So that's at the top, so I would fill that in before you even start watching the video. And then this middle section here, questions on the left panel and notes on the right-hand panel, this part I would start to fill in as you're watching the video. So for notes, I would jot down key things that seem to be important as you're watching the video. Remember, the nice thing about having pre-recorded lecture videos is that you can pause them as needed or rewind if you need to pause to take some notes down. I know some of you like writing notes directly on the PowerPoints. I'm providing those PowerPoint slides for you as well, so that's also an option if you prefer that. But one thing I like about this particular notes template, it's called the Cornell Notes Template, is this panel on the left-hand side for questions. So this is a really nice place as you're watching lecture videos to make note of things that you're confused about or don't understand, so you know to go back and clarify them later. Because that's really one of the best ways for you to study, is to identify, first of all, things you don't understand and then fix that. So either ask me, ask your peers to fill in those gaps in your knowledge. So I highly, highly suggest writing down those questions in the left-hand panel as you're watching the lecture. Again, you can pause as needed and rewind. And then the bottom part here, I would recommend filling in after you watch the video. And the bottom part here is a summary or key takeaways for that particular lecture. So this is another really nice opportunity for you to synthesize and process everything you just learned. So after watching that short lecture video, what's the summary of that video? What's the key takeaway? So putting what was in the video in your own words is a really useful, helpful way for you to learn and remember the information. So I think that's another really useful part of this notes template. So I'll provide this. This is in the course toolbox in the lecture and assignment resources, and I'll also post it, I'll try to post it throughout the modules next to each individual lecture video before you watch it.